Hi, my name's Oriolua Aloro, and today I'll be teaching you about the layers of the Earth beyond the surface. So first, the idea of the Earth. Have you ever gone digging in your backyard? Maybe even tried to dig all the way to China? Well, this is obviously impossible. The Earth is huge. But there's more to what's inside the Earth. So what's the Earth made of? The Earth has 4 layers: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. The crust only makes up 1% of the Earth's entire volume. That's what you're living on right now. The mantle makes up 84%, which is most of the entire Earth, while the outer core and inner core together make up about 15%. So first, we'll start with the crust. The crust is the thinnest layer of the Earth, only 1% of the Earth's volume, as I said. It's made of dirt, soil, grass, mountains, oceans, anything else that's on the surface. You're on the surface. Though you may think the Earth is just a big ball of soil and dirt, this layer is only 25 miles thick of the entire Earth. So next, we have the mantle. The mantle can be broken into 2 sections actually, the upper and the lower mantle. But anyway, they're both hard and rocky. They also have magma, which is in the most of the top layer, which is melted mantle rocks. The mantle takes up about 85% of the Earth's volume, as I said. Very heavy, with lots of different rocks. The lower mantle is more solid than the upper mantle. Next, we have the outer core. The outer core is completely liquid, made of melted iron and nickel. It's also extremely hot, which is why it's always liquid. This layer stays liquid because cold from the outside never reaches that deep into the center of the Earth. And last, we have the inner core. Of course, scientists haven't actually seen it because, well, it's the middle of the Earth, but evidence shows that the inner core is a solid ball. It is thought to be an iron/nickel blend, just like the outer core. It's always solid because of constant pressure from the outside layers of the Earth. And fun fact, the inner core is as hot as the surface of the sun, making it a hot yellow ball. Did you know? Scientists think that the Earth was a scalding hot ball in the older days. With rain on Earth, the surface cooled down, eventually creating cooler land with a hotter core inside. Heavier metal sank to the center, while lighter magma rose. Heat never reaches far into the core, which is the hottest part of the Earth. This is the theory on how the layers of the Earth were created. So here's an activity for you guys. You can create a layers of the Earth cake to help you remember. Using different dyes or different frosting, create different layers of a colored cake for each layer of the Earth. You can decorate your crust with blue, oceans, green land, mountains, streets, anything else on the Earth's surface. Then label each layer to help you remember them. Have fun, and don't forget to eat it. So here's a very exciting concept: volcanoes. Remember how I said that the mantle is made up of solid rocks and some magma, which is melted rocks? Well, this is what creates volcanoes. As rocks in the mantle move towards the surface, they start melting into magma. When the magma rises, Gas from it creates pressure under the crust until, kaboom, a volcano erupts. So here's a quiz for you guys. Go along with me. Remember, the percents next to each name can help you figure out which one it is. So first, which one is the crust? Now which one is the mantle, 84%? Now which one is the outer core? And last, the inner core. Good job! I hope you got all of those correct. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any more questions, you can email me at orioloro40@gmail.com or visit my presentation where I give extra resources.